Here's Frank Farmer, president of American Metal Roofs, talking about the AMR do-it-yourself option.
Soon after starting AMR, we realized that a lot of our customers were interested in installing their own metal roofs, which is great for them. Do-it-yourselfers save half the cost of an installed roof. That's right, half. We have found that DIYers just need access to the right products, someone to guide them and support them during their project. Here's what AMR provides for our DIYers. A complete parts list for your project, step-by-step installation videos, access to a toll-free number to get questions answered live by a metal roof craftsman, available on-site metal roof installation pros to help you through any installation challenges. So, is a do-it-yourself American Metal Roof right for you? Give us a call at your convenience and we'll discuss the details. Remember, we've been helping our customers DIY their own roofs for 25 years. You can read some of the success stories right here on this page. The goal of our DIY program is simple: to help you join the hundreds of AMR customers who have successfully installed their own American metal roof. And we promise, we will not let you fail. To learn more about a DIY project for your home, call us today.
To learn more about a DIY project for your home, call American Metal Roofs today.